3 tips padilku ethadi what if I fail?
3 tips for me.
From
Okay,
Angel.
uno ko for sure we missed the working on, and I feel like it would be good pa hini pass it on. Mita really meeting muita ko analysis paralysis what they mean? Analysis paralysis, which means ko but they get so much then processo de que pensa, analisar, como não tá fazendo nada. Let's close the gap between analysis, ideation, and execution. Which, not to me quote, by the way, pero
That's a bar.
I saw that, and I felt that. So, I'm the TV and strategize hope that's one of the things I quite career-wise that create a strategy. Mita queda hope de processo de analisar, oh, this is this research parts. Sin bira algo, sin a practical side, even though I'm a practical person, toch, like me gusta like hasicos. Let's close the gap between e pensamiento e execution. So the doing part. That doesn't mean ku obatin de hasi mesura, sin pensa sin nada. No, let's not be impractical. Let's think through some things. Pero más bien no laga bo mes queda cinta so much on an idea of something you want to do, of algo como que grow in, no cinta mucho hope, din say. Porque hace algo hasiere. Like, what be about to hasiere tomorrow? Actually do that. Close the gap between you and the thing you want to get to. And that means moving. That means you're gonna getting pushed into it, seeing what already.
Okay.
So that's one, closing a gap between
That was one,
thinking
guys.
and execution.
That was one. See.
Second one, maybe define Kiko success pabo. So, what are you working towards? Like, not to cost down failure, not to home progress. It's just steps. Because now not the way get perfect all the time. Because not the way go well all the time. Pero Kiko ein tulta ang style. So, minta mo kung say, pero se ba't yung idea di man ko kaki mi ke sinti o mi na say sinting marana mani mita own 500 houses and no, I'm rich in life, or I'm this or that. Yaboting feeling marana je ku I guess po yega na je. But the success toch along the way, cause nang kuta mani proof, tangible proof this, eh? That's 2. And then 3, just starting. Just go for it. Just do it. Failure not at the end of your story. Tingnan tayo as the beginning of your story. Kumani, I'll be saying the first episode. Know what you want to do, or to know what you like and what you don't. So tingnan tayo, it's failing, but that wasn't supposed to be it. Maybe you're supposed to do something else. And you gotta fail and probably okay. So it's not this. Let me try a different way.